this is the reason why I would never ever buy RAZER ever again. If you see all of these peripherals that I reviewed from the past 3 years, then this is what they are now. The paint is starting to deteriorate, and actually why I bought them is because of the aesthetic mostly. If I would compare the sound quality of this headphone to the other brand, I would say, well, it's just basically the aesthetic. But what happened to the aesthetic? Did I just didn't take care of them? I don't know. I just use them as it is, and I displayed most of them. But wait, here I am. I'm buying a new RAZER. So this is Viper Ultimate, and well, basically aesthetic again. But I would say that the quality of their mouse is actually really good. It lasts me for about 3 years, and now that I'm experiencing the double clicking thing in the Basilisk, so I started looking for a mouse that is kind of aesthetic, and I wanted to eliminate the cord. So this is also wireless Bluetooth and with the charging dock, and that's exactly what I wanted, the charging dock. And I've been comparing this to other brands like Logitech, but it seems like they don't have something that has with a charging dock. And why I consider that the most is that I have trouble charging and charging over and over again, putting it, misplacing it. But since this one, it has a charging dock, so everything's gonna be easy. It took me an hour to charge this, and now I'm starting to connect it here on RAZER Synapse. And now let's start to compare it to Basilisk. This one is really heavy. It's ergonomic, and it has a lot of buttons there on the side. It's up to 16K DPI, while this one is really clicky and it's very lightweight. But it's only up to 3200 DPI. But still, it's lightweight anyway. The only thing that I don't like about the Viper is that I feel like the scroll, it's not as smooth as the Basilisk. And in the Basilisk, there is a dedicated buttons for setting up the DPI. But in Viper, you have to adjust it from the bottom. So yeah, that's it so far. I'm gonna test it more for playing games and editing videos. Stay tuned, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.